Alright, so Frankie climbed up on my shoulder because he wanted to get up on the top of the shower. Whoa, careful, baby. Micah, look out for him. He's like trying to do a turn now. So Micah's in the shower. Oh, careful, baby. So he's doing a balancing act trying to walk along the top of the shower. He's been up there for like 5 minutes now. What's he doing in there? It's a very precarious position to be in, Frankie. Whoa. Oh, careful. He's gonna fall on your head. Oh, careful, buddy. He's coming down this way. Wow! Oh, good boy.